Saturday. What are you doing on Saturdays? I decided to stay at home. Actually, it's quite windy outside, cold. Maybe I yesterday got to freeze out while I was at city, and I really want this warm place as home, sitting under the blanket and knit all day long. But actually I can't do this. I really wish to do this, but there is this stuff what you need to do at home, like cleaning, washing, like ordinary stuff which you usually can't manage during a week, working days. And today I have like running my washing machine. Many times I will need to do this, and also I cleaned a little bit. I just washed my clothes. I will hang up them, and also I had this stuff that I need to cut out from the leather, many details, glue them. There is many items like bags and envelopes. Would be great to do this today and glue everything that it's can stay for second day and be ready for saving on Monday, and then I can ship out it. But I really don't want to do this. It's Saturday. I really want to chill out, but I can't. I'm actually enjoying right now my time. I'm alone finally. I really adore this time when I am alone, and I don't need to work, so it's not an ordinary working day. I'm just alone in weekend, and I really wanted to enjoy this time. I tried. Actually, I'm watching the second movie. Somehow today I am in the mood to watch funny romantic movies on Netflix, and I managed to knit a Sophie shawl quite a lot. I already took a third ball. This is a middle place where I'm starting decreasing, and yeah, maybe I will finish today, who knows. But also I had a plan today, knit at least one ornament for Christmas tree. I really want to knit it. Yeah, maybe some hat would be great, but I can find like ready to go mini pompons which you can glue or sew on the hat, something sparkle. I need to look up for that. Maybe I will find eventually. But yes, this is my plan of the day. I think yeah, I hope you can see me. I decided not to turn on all artificial lights and ring light which I usually turn on, and I can show you my workshop, what I'm planning to do. I think I will do this. I found a very fun podcast in Russia, actually it is, but it's so funny. You don't need to watch it, you just listen it, but it's so hilarious. There is a stand-up comics who like pretends to be your therapist, and they try to solve your problem, and actually there is like people who came and they speak about real problems, and they sometimes are serious, but as they are stand-up comics, they do everything through humor, and sometimes it's very funny, and not sometimes, it's actually all the time. It's very funny, and it's a fun entertainment which I can listen while I am doing something in my workshop. So maybe let's go to my workshop. I try to warm up somehow. Today my feet all the time are cold, so but in the couch. I'm not sitting with my woolen socks. I have this type of woolen socks which I knitted from scrap yarn and using mohair. So they are super warm. I really love them. Let's go. I will show you my workshop, what is going on there right now. But actually before that, I will make for myself food. Yesterday I bought eggplant. I really love eggplant, but nobody else loves eggplant at my home. And as I am alone, I have this opportunity to make whatever I want and to eat it. So yeah, I'm very happy for that. Okay, let's go to my workshop. But before that, I will hang out all my clothes, which I just right now washed. Welcome in my mess. It's again too much stuff here. It's never ending story. Yesterday I bought new threads which ended up, and I need to sell some urgent project here. And here is all actually my leather which I need for my current orders that I have. And there is quite a lot. Yes, I will start by colors to organize this all. This is a white one, leather, so I will put it here. And this is a silver one, leather. Actually it's maybe too thin, but I hope this will work out. I will see. Usually I'm buying a little bit thicker leather. Then I bought many of this wine red, burgundy color, but in my shop it calls wine red. I don't know what happened, but people are buying the same design bag only in one color. So I think I need to make of them 4, if I remember correctly. But of course I will open my shop and just check out one by one. And then I have also need to make a bag from navy blue color, very nice leather, and quite huge piece of brown, because there is a lot of products from the brown one. The same bag, lunch bag, I can add here how it looks, and many of envelopes, I think. Yes, there was envelopes. And my plan is today just to cut out everything. There is a glue process, and glue everything and leave it till the Monday. And it would be very good to do this today and stop to think about it. Only therefore I really want to do this all stuff. So I think I will go and make food for myself. Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait. Maybe I will show you something later on from the process, what I'm doing, or maybe not. We'll see. If I'm in Russia, I don't film. I just forgot about it. But yes. What are you doing on Saturdays? I hope you are resting and really enjoying your day in that way how you wish. Actually, this is just a normal life to every self-employed more crafters. If there is some crafter as me who has his own small business, say hi, tell about your crafty business, mention it. It would be great to see what you are doing, and tell me, do you spend your weekends for work too? I believe you do. So it would be great to see you down in the comments that you are sharing about yourself and your small business. It's such a nice way how to interact and just see another crafter and new to meet up new small business owners and share with this, and maybe even gauge some new clients in this way. It would be great, because I know how important for each small business is every single client. Okay, let's go to make lunch. It's almost 7 o'clock. I cut out 5 wine red bags, lunch bags. I cut out 1 brown bag. I cut out navy blue clutch. What I have here? 2 white envelopes, 1 more silver clutch, and 2 brown envelopes, 1 silver envelope. Yeah, that's it. Oh, okay, now I will glue this everything. And after that I will start to enjoy my evening, and I will enjoy my Sunday. It looks so, yeah. And tomorrow I have actually a plan. I want to organize the advent yarn. I want to make a card and like find a set for my pillow. Yeah. Let's glue now. I have 6 bags. Who needs this metallic magnetic snaps, and I have only 3 of them, so it means I can finish fully only 3 bags. And on Monday I need to go and buy this stuff. Otherwise I just can't finish it. Okay, I'm done here. That was my Saturday, so I will make a tea and knit. And actually I will take a box with my scrap yarn and look for something cute to make a small ornament as a hat. And I have 1 hat, I will show you. So I have this hat. How to show you? You see? And it has this sparkly pom-pom. And this hat actually, it looks like this. And my plan is to hack up this pattern, because this was a gifted hat from one of my kids' teacher, Christmas present, and I really want to make the same hat. And here I have scrap box. Ooh, dust. And I just will check out for scraps. What can I use for this hat? And think about our Christmas tree. What would look very cute on that? So I need to think. Because we have mostly gold ornaments, and I need something to that size, and we will do this. I will clean up a little bit and go to download our videos and edit them, and I think we will meet another time tomorrow. Tomorrow we will have third Advent. So bye.